Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can delete added password from Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then select Autofill with Google and passwords. Now just click on one of your added passwords that you wish to get rid of. Enter your current login method and then select Delete next to Edit. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!